Now we've discussed creating a fitting by selecting a part and then selecting a plane by which the program will fit it. But there's another way of creating a fitting, which is by 2 points. Now, in this case, what you do is you click on the command and then you select the 2 points, which will be the fitting points. So, for example, if I go like that, it then asks for the part which needs to be fitted. So I select this beam and you can see that the fitting has been done. Now let me undo that. Another way of using it is to actually select the part from before you enter the command, and then go inside and go fitting with 2 points, and then you select those 2 points, and this time, because you'd already selected the part, there's no need to select the part again. Now this obviously gives us another advantage. Let me undo that again, that we can actually select more than one part in the beginning and go inside, say fitting with 2 points, and we can go like that. And if we do that, then the fitting is created for both parts using the same point.